How to automate the project schedule column on monday.com. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to automate your project schedule column that you're going to find onto the boards on monday.com within just a few steps. So we're going to head over monday.com and then we're going to sign in for an account, and as you can see we are going to head over the project management section or the workspace of our project. Select it, then select the board that we want to find the timeline or the date column from it. So basically, what is the purpose of having the automation set? So the automation is going to help you a lot to decide, or the automation of the date or the schedule is going to help you a lot to notify persons and also set up some email and alerts to the specific persons that are let's say here responsible for an item or a task to be done. So you're going to also notify yourself by having this to change maybe the um, statuses of the items or the tasks and etc. So what are we going to do basically is to check if we have a date, as you can see here, a column. So you can go ahead and add a date column. For example, you're going to add date. Here we have it. And this date we can go ahead and consider as a column. As you can see, we have this date. We have also another date, which is going to be the stock check in my case here. Now we're going to start by clicking on automate at the top or the header here. And then we're going to start by setting up the thing. So we've had a, let's say an item or a category named dependencies in the previous versions of the monday.com. But here we do not have them anymore. So we're going to head over the, as you can see, search bar, and we are going to type in date. So we are going to find the recommended and also the other ones. The basic one, as you can see, when date arrives, notify someone. This is going to be a, as you can see, a template or an automation. We have some of the recommended ones as well, like here the integrations of Gmail, Google Calendar, Outlook. So when an item is created to or updated, create an event in Google Calendar. For example, this is going to be creating items into a date specific on Google Calendar. When dates arrive and only if status is something, notify someone. This is going to be the status if you're going to change it to something. Here, as you can see, we have all type of dates that you can go ahead and put. For example, the notification, the communication, for example, you're going to find tons and tons of automations. Choose whatever automation that you're going to put. You can go ahead and use multiple automation in the same time, and you're going to only let's say connect the column for it. So I'm going to show you here real quick the column. So when date arrives, for example, when date arrives, for example, I can go ahead and select a date or put a date before, for example, one day before it arrives. For example, I don't know here, this day before this. You're going to create the date. For example, when a day before the date, you're going to have the date or the stock check date arrives, for example, the date. Notify, for example, you're going to put a customized message someone, which is going to be on the team here. And then you're going to create the automation. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.